Now let's try to solve this problem here. Um, if the position vectors of the vertices of the triangle, that is be this, and these are the vertices given to you. Now then the triangle is, let us find that. Now let me write down to find what is AB. AB is equal to OB minus OA. Fine. So let us calculate this. So 4 minus 2 and 5 minus 4 and that is 1 minus plus 2. So I get that as 2i. Okay, this is 2i plus I'll get j plus 2k if I find it. So I got AB. Let us likewise find what is BC here. So BC is equal to OC minus OB. So let us find that. So that is minus I. Fine, minus I, and we get plus J. Fine, and minus 4k. So this is what I get. Now let us find AC now. Now AC would be OC minus OA, so that would be I plus 2J and minus 2k. So we get this. Now to find whether it is what type of triangle it is, so we need to find the magnitude of all these AB, and we need to find the magnitude of BC, and also we need to find the magnitude of AC also here. Let us find that. First let us find what is AB. That is square root of, now we have 2 square, right, and we have 1 square, and then afterwards you have again, that is again 2 square. So let us compute that. So I get, that is you get 9 square root of 9, which is 3. Fine. Now let us find what is BC here. So BC is equal to again square root of, this is 1 square, right, minus 1 square, and this is 1 square again, and this is 4 square again, square. So minus, so squares of that, so I get, this is as 18. So 18 we can write as 3 root 2. So 18, right, 18, which is 9 into 2. So that's what I've done. I have split it 9 as 3 into 3. Okay, now we got this. Now let us find what is AC. Okay, now what is AC here? So AC here we get that as 1 square and 2 square, and this is 2 square again. So that is you get again that as again square root of 9 again, so that, which is 3. So what we find is AB and AC, and its length or the magnitude is equal. So we can notice that is when you compare these two, so we can write that as AB is equal to AC, right? So, and let us find what is BC square. That is equal to AB square plus AC square. So when you compute it, so we find that this is equal. So hence therefore we can say this is, and this is a triangle which is an isosceles and it is right angle triangle, right angle triangle. So hence we conclude that, right, it is isosceles and right angle triangle. Let us see next problem here. Now I have two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. So this being a parallelogram, and these are the two adjacent sides of this of a parallelogram. Let us find the unit vector along the diagonals. So the diagonals along that. Okay. Now we know that here it goes in this way direction OA and AC. Okay, if we consider this as A and this as B, and again we have in this another direction, right? So this if I consider this as B and this as A. Okay, so let us consider that. Okay, now when the direction from here to here, if I consider that here, so this being A plus B. Now if I consider the diagonal from here to here, if I consider that, so that would be, okay, if I draw that, so the direction from A to B, so now this would be B minus A. Okay, now we got this. Now let us when you look at this, so OB and sorry OA BC, OA BC, which is the given parallelogram, and the adjacent sides, which is given OA and OB, being given that as the data. Now if I consider A as this, if I consider as A and this if I consider as B, right? Now the distance, if I consider the distance D1 as A plus B, which we if you look at this diagram, I get this. So A plus B would be, if I add these two results, I get 3i plus 6j minus 2k. So this is D1. Let us find what is D2. So D2 would be B minus A. So B minus A. If I calculate this, so I get minus I minus 2j and plus 8k. So this is what I get. Now the required unit vector, okay, for that if I consider n1, so that would be with respect to d1, so that would be d1 divided by mod d1. So mod d1, which I get, if I calculate that, so I get 7 here, and this mod d2, I'll get that as root 69. Okay, so this would be the unit vector along this would be, for this would be 3 by 7 I plus 6 by 7 j and minus 2 by 7k. So this is what I get. Now the unit vector along this for d2, okay, we have found even mod of this d2 also, so we get that as d2 divided by mod of d2. So let us find that. So that would be I minus I by root 69. Okay, and this is minus 2j by root 69. Root 69, and I get 8 by root 69k. So that's the required answer. I hope you understood this.